In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink your Ubisoft account from Steam step by step. If you previously connected Steam with Ubisoft and now want to remove that connection, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process. Sometimes players unlink accounts because they want to connect a different Steam profile, fix account issues, or simply manage their linked services more carefully. The good news is that Ubisoft allows you to manage and remove linked accounts directly from your account settings. I'll guide you through everything so you can do it safely in just a few minutes. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Ubisoft application on your PC. This app may appear as Ubisoft Connect depending on your version. Once the application launches, make sure you are signed in to the Ubisoft account that is currently linked to your Steam account. If you are not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your Ubisoft email and password so you can access your account dashboard. After you are inside the Ubisoft app, look toward the top left side of the window where your account name or profile icon appears. Click on your account name to open the account menu. From the drop-down options that appear, click on Settings. This will open the Ubisoft Settings panel where you can control different aspects of your account. Inside the settings page, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. You will see several different sections listed here. Find and click on the option labeled Other. This section contains additional account tools, including the option to manage your Ubisoft account in your browser. After clicking Other, scroll down through the options until you reach the last line in the section. Here you will see a button labeled Account Management. Go ahead and click on Account Management. This will automatically open your Ubisoft account management page in your default web browser. If prompted, log in again with your Ubisoft credentials to verify your identity. Once you are inside the account management page, scroll down through the page until you find the section called Linked Accounts. This area displays all external platforms connected to your Ubisoft account, such as Steam, Xbox, PlayStation, or other services. Look through the list and locate Steam. If your accounts are currently connected, you will see Steam listed here with an option next to it. To remove the connection, simply click the Unlink button next to Steam. Ubisoft may ask you to confirm your choice before completing the action. Confirm the unlink request and the Steam account will immediately be disconnected from your Ubisoft profile. After that, your Steam account will no longer be linked to Ubisoft. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully unlinked your Ubisoft account from Steam. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy gaming guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.